Tried several mocha pots and I wanted to share this one with you from Zulay. First, what I love about it is the fact that it does come in several colors. Whether you're looking for the cute pink, the two-toned red, or the regular red, the black, the silver, or any other color they have, you are going to love it. Now, it's very easy to use a mocha pot. It's very portable and affordable since you don't have to buy an expensive machine to make espresso. How to use a mocha pot, you're going to pull it apart and then you have this little piece over here where you put all the coffee in it, the coffee ground, and the inside there is lines to tell you exactly where to get to in the water line. Just add water. You can put cold water or hot water. Usually I add for hot water in there just for a quicker work. And that little piece from the inside is where the coffee is going to come out from. We're about to make coffee in a little bit, so you can check it out. Just twist it right on it after you add the water and the coffee and put it on the stove. This is made from food grade cast iron body. The knob at the top and the handle do not get hot when you're working with it, so easy to open it when you need to. But the bottom, if you do have hot water in it, is going to get hot. It's available from a 3-cup size to a 12-cup size. I think I have the 6-cup size right here. It's also perfect for camping, and you can make lattes, you can make cappuccinos, or what it's originally made for, the espresso. Now, if you like your coffee really strong, you can even make a big cup of coffee. I have used a lot of the Zulay products, and they have lasted for years, and they do also offer a guarantee that if anything ever goes wrong with it, you can contact them and they will make it right. I've had their frothers and their lemon squeezers and all that stuff for several years and still in great condition. The Zulay Mocha cup is definitely a thumbs up for me.